Right then.
Can I just say, basically we're going to do an oil and filter, do alignment and do corner weights and send it. That's it.
Right, let me try again.
Carry on filming for much longer, it's going to be 10 o'clock. It's 8
Oh,
o'clock
I've just had a phone call, my Domino's might be here.
8 o'clock already.
Right then, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the race workshop and we're going to be working on the track Ibiza. So we've got a little bit of maintenance to do on it before we go on a track day next Sunday at Cadwell Park. We've got Rob here, which is going to help me out doing the servicing, and we've got Molly here, which has brought us a few products that we're going to be trying today. So we'll have a closer look at them and we'll get cracked on. Yeah. So as with most servicing that we do here, we're using the Quantum Platinum oil. This is the latest Platinum Plus 5W30, which has superseded the 5W40. Genuine oil filter and Darkside Developments magnetic sump plug. So we're going to be fitting that. And then the products that Molly's fetched along is Liqui Moly Pro Line Engine Flush. So according to the back of this bottle, this is going to remove carbon deposits and paints which reduce the sealing effect of piston rings, restores full engine performance and compression pressure. So we like the sound of that. Being a track car, we want all the engine performance we can get, so hopefully that does the job. We'll look at how we're going to do that in a second. And then we've also got Ceratec, which is like a ceramic coating for the engine. Again, according to the back of this bottle, it reduces friction and wear, saves fuel and increases the service life of the engine or transmission. You can use that in the gearbox as well. So once we've done the service, we'll bang some of that in as well. And then one last thing is this. I'm not even going to try and say it, but yeah, I'll put a link to all the products in the description. This is like a gearbox additive, so we're going to put a couple of them in as well and see how that goes. So yeah, it's a little bit late in the day, it's Friday night, we've just ordered a Domino's, other pizza shops are available. Once we've done the service, we'll also be doing the alignment and corner weighting as well. So the first job is going to be the Liqui Moly engine flush. Before we put this in, we've got to have the vehicle running for, or idling for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll put that in, leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then drop the oil and do the service as normal. So the engine's up to temp now, so we're going to put us engine flush in. Easy as that. So fire it up, leave it for 10-15 minutes.
We're just having a quick look at the filter just to make sure there's no signs of any bearing material or anything in there, and as far as oil filters go, it don't look too bad at all, to be honest, so quite happy with that.
Time for the freshie. We've got it up on the ramp now, so we're just going to drain the oil, do the service as normal. What you got there then, Rob?
Fresh magnetic sump plug.
Available to buy on the website, link in description. Shameless plug. Come on, Rob, that were a good one.
Talk it up, because last time I did a sump plug on Yeti and used a massive bar, everybody complained at me. 15 foot-pound, 20 newton meters. Did I go over? 15.1. I'll take that.
So if you do get one of those new aluminium magnetic sump plugs, that's what you talk them up to. 15 foot-pound or 20 newton meters. As we top up the oil, we're going to put us Ceratec in. It says on the back 300ml will treat 5 litres of oil. So that's a 300ml bottle. We'll put in probably just short of 5 litre oil in. It's like a chocolate milkshake. Ooh, with vanilla in it. So that's the engine done. We've done the oil and filter and the engine flush and ceramic additive. Next up, we've got the Getribiol additive, which I'm pretty sure any of you German watchers or European will be able to correct me on that, but I'm pretty sure that just translates to gearbox additive or something along them lines. So yeah, let's get back on the ramp and bang this in. So now we're just going to do the corner weighting, find out what the total weight of the car is, and obviously try and even it out the best we can.
What are you guessing?
1290.
A little bit less.
A bit less. 1260.
1148. There's only 10 kilos across front, a little bit across rear.
The old racer Ibiza was 1270.
This has got a full tank of fuel as well.
Yeah.
1235. It's not horrendous, to be honest. When we look at the old race car, front split on ours looks a little bit better in my opinion. Rear right's got a little bit of weight, but Mellor, jump out, let me jump in. What are we saying?
1220.
We've got 15 kilos on you.
It's all muscle.
Daniel used this as an excuse for when I'm quicker, for when I'm 2 seconds a lap quicker, this will be his excuse.
Don't need excuses. It's all muscle. So one of the latest additions to the race workshop is the Hoffman Mega Align. So obviously it's 4-wheel alignment. It makes life a hell of a lot easier when we're doing it on the track cars. And obviously we've got this for customer cars as well. So if you didn't know we had that, obviously now you do. We offer alignment, prices are on the website. And obviously if we're fitting coilovers, doing bushes or anything like that, we can do that at the same time basically. So yeah, we've got the car on the stands, on the alignment plates. We'll bang GoPro on and we'll crack on with alignment.
So we've got a little bit more camber on the front left than we have on the front right, so we're going to balance that out, and we're towing out a little bit more on the front right than we are on the front left. So sort the camber first, then we'll look at the toe corrections. Camber angle's nearly spot on now. Because we've actually got the modified Mark 5 top mounts, that's allowed us to make the camber adjustments. Typical that it was the driver's side that needed adjustment, because that's the one that's buried behind the vac box. It's a nightmare to get to, but we made the adjustment. Camber's there. We'll just get everything bolted up and work on the toe now.
So that's the alignment finished. We did end up finding an old spec sheet from the old Ibiza race car, which was quite helpful. That had all the camber settings, the toe settings, caster settings, everything that we needed really to set this up. How the old Ibiza race car was set up. So if we can get anywhere near that, that'd be pretty good. We've got the spring rates and everything from that spreadsheet, which means we can change the springs. So it is now 10 to 11 on a Friday night, so as you can imagine the missuses are probably not very happy that we're still at work at this time. But we had to get the race car or the track car ready for the track date next week. So we're happy with the alignment, we're happy with the corner weights, we're happy that it's now got fresh oil in and a fresh filter. Hopefully we're happy with the liquid moly stuff. I'm not sure if this video is going to be very technical on what we've actually put in, but if you are interested in that stuff, like I said earlier, the links to those products are in the description, the list on the website with all the tech specs. If you want to go into a bit more depth and geek out on that stuff. So yeah, fingers crossed all goes well at Cadwell. I'm sure you'll find out because you've clicked the subscribe button and you'll be notified of that video. So thanks for watching, and
You're going to tell them what next one is? Croft. 7th of April, bank holiday weekend. So if anybody wants to come to Croft, if you want to go on it, just come down, say hello, and take you out for a blast.
Yeah, thanks for ruining my ending. See you in the next one.